Have you ever wondered how to automate your YouTube channel? Picture a world where your channel runs itself, publishing videos, managing playlists, and even replying to comments while you sit back and focus on creating content. Today, we are going to explore how you can make this a reality. Step 1. Schedule your uploads. YouTube has a feature that allows you to upload your videos and schedule them for a later date. This is perfect for those days when you have multiple videos ready to go, but you don't want to overwhelm your subscribers. Simply upload your video, set the date and time for its release, and YouTube will take care of the rest. Step 2. Automate your thumbnails. Many content creators spend hours crafting the perfect thumbnail for each video. But did you know that there are tools out there that can do this for you? Tools like TubeBuddy and Canva have features that allow you to create thumbnail templates that you can quickly customize for each new video. Step 3. Automate your playlists. Playlists are a great way to keep your viewers engaged and watching more of your content. Rather than manually adding each new video to your playlists, you can set up rules that will automatically add new uploads based on criteria like keywords or tags. Step 4. Automate your comments. Engaging with your audience is crucial, but it can also be time-consuming. Tools like TubeBuddy and AgoraPulse allow you to set up automatic responses to certain types of comments. This way, you can keep the conversation going even when you're busy with other tasks. Step 5. Use analytics to optimize your channel. Tools like vidIQ and SocialBlade can provide you with in-depth analytics about your channel's performance. You can use this data to make informed decisions about what content to create, when to publish, and how to engage with your audience. To summarize, automating your YouTube channel can save you time and help you grow your audience. Start by scheduling your uploads, then automate your thumbnails and playlists. Don't forget to engage with your audience through automated comments and use analytics to continuously improve your channel's performance. Remember, the goal isn't to replace your creative process with automation, but to free up more time for you to focus on what you do best, creating great content. So, take the plunge, embrace automation, and watch as your YouTube channel thrives.